Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Teresa bags new endorsement deal with Amber Hair. Teresa Ifeoma Ugoji, popularly known as Teresa from Ultimate Love reality TV show, has just bagged a new endorsement deal with the hair brand. Teresa took to her official microblogging platform via Instagram to share the good news with her fans as she released new pictures of herself signing off the deal. Sharing the above photo, the reality star asked her fans to patronize Amber Hair because she is now the ambassador and they sell quality hair. Fans were so excited at the news as they couldn't wait to congratulate her and wish her more wins ahead. Taking to the comment section of her post on Instagram, a fan identified as Ann Naya said, "More wins for you there." Okay, if you're a true fan of Teresa, please use the comment section to congratulate your queen. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.